Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher nut. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new nut. The nut goes on the end of the heating element on the bottom of the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if yours is lost or damaged. First thing we're going to do is open up the dishwasher door, and then we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the dishwasher to the cabinet. With the screws out, we can go underneath the sink and disconnect the supply lines. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have everything disconnected out of their sink, we can come back over, grab the door, lift it up a little bit, and use it to pull the dishwasher out. Once you get it out a little ways, you can grab onto the cabinet and use that to pull it out. Now we're at the back of the machine. We tilted it up so you can see a little bit better. There are two of them. Make sure you change out as many as you need to. The wires are on there a little tight, so if you have to, you can use a needle nose to grab it and pull it off. And then we're going to use a 3/4 inch wrench to take off the nut. Once you break it free, you can just turn it by hand. Here's the old nut next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new nut on, all you have to do is slide it up over the terminal and screw it down until you get it snug with your hand, and then we can use our 3/4 inch wrench to tighten it down to make sure we get a good seal on the element. Once you have it tight, we can reconnect the wire, and then we can put the dishwasher back into the cabinet. First thing we need to do is put the lines back through the cabinet. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway and then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push it back into the counter. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. We can put the screws back in to mount it to the cabinet. Now that you have the dishwasher remounted, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.